Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll show you how to easily and simply turn your photo, or maybe even someone else's, into these cool GTA style shots. The method is very simple. Just upload a photo, add the prompt, and you're done. Also, today we have some really cool news: Syntx. By the way, we'll be doing this on Syntx in Nano Banana. In short, the guys from Syntx have kindly provided our awesome community with 5 Pro subscriptions. So they have different plans here, and the Pro plan is really cool. It gives you access to the best neural networks on this platform. Basically, we're giving away 5 subscriptions among our community. Absolutely anyone can participate. It's very, very simple. Let me tell you how. First, register on Syntx using this link right here. This is important because this link is specifically for our community. Sign up using this link. It literally takes a couple of seconds. You can log in, for example, through Telegram, Gmail, or by email. Basically, whatever way is most convenient for you. Even if you're already registered on Syntx, that's totally fine. Just log in using any of the available methods. That's the first step. Step 2. Just send in your most awesome top-tier work, whether it's an illustration, art, drawing, photograph if you're a photographer, or a video if you're a video maker. It doesn't matter what the theme or concept is. The main thing is that it should be your favorite work from your entire creative career. Send it to this email address right here. In just a week, on April 24th, I'll look through all your works and pick 5 pieces that caught my attention the most. Of course, I'll also publish them in our Telegram channel. And these 5 people, the 5 winners, will each get a Pro subscription to Syntx. I think that's really cool. Once again, a huge thank you to the folks at Syntx. Alright, let's go make some awesome shots today. If anything, in the design section right here, select Nano Banana. This is important because we'll be working specifically with Nano Banana. I'll be using the second version, but the Pro version will handle this task just as well. I just think Banana 2 is a bit more advanced. Okay, then I'll upload some photographs here. I'll be using cinematic shots like these ones from various movies as visual examples for our project. But you can upload anything you want here, even your grandma, no problem. Any photo with a person will work for this task. The next step is to set up the settings. Well, the aspect ratio is up to your personal preference. Most often I use a 2:3 or 3:4 aspect ratio. These are portrait formats that are comfortable to post on social media later. That's it. And finally, friends, of course, is the prompt. I've left it especially for you in the pinned comment to this video on YouTube. So just open the comments on YouTube under this video and you'll see only one comment there. That's where I've left the prompt. Copy this prompt and paste it into this field. I'll pin it so you don't have to enter the prompt every time. Well, that's basically it. You can send the request now. Nano Banana works very quickly. Look, bam! This is the type of cinematic shot we get in the GTA style, with a Vice City atmosphere and some vibrant neon lighting. Of course, all the textures have been redrawn. Everything looks so volumetric, so 3D, as if it's a frame from a game. Although as a base, yes, it was just this really low quality screenshot. Okay, let's try something else. Here's a legend like this. Let's see how it handles this task. I'm serious, you could even upload a photo of your parents here, and it would make a GTA style shot with them. Anyway, spring has finally arrived. Finally some warm days, friends. And to celebrate this, considering how tough the current crisis is, I've organized discounts on all my professional courses, especially for our community. So right now, all the courses on my website are available at a discount. Plus, there's a new course about Midjourney. By the way, the link to all my courses is in the channel description. Let's take a look. This is just mind-blowing. Look at this level. I think this is really cool. I think this is honestly impressive. Just to remind you, the original looked like this. It was really in terrible quality, and we end up with a masterpiece like this. This is no exaggeration. That's exactly how it works. You upload any photo, and it turns any photo into a super high-level result, a real gem like this. Alright friends, let's get creative, let's level up together. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so you don't miss out on content like this. See you in the next video. Let's go.